PPM360 has a new and exciting feature regarding the home dashboards. As we can see here with our PPM360 solution, we have a pre-configured home dashboard with different views and different information throughout the environment about the projects and portfolios. Now, PPM360 allows the user to have their custom home dashboards. By selecting New here from the top, we can select Dynamics 365 Dashboard. We can choose a layout, such as this one here, and select Create. Here, we can either have a list, which would be a table, or a chart. Let's go ahead and click on this. Now, as we know, Dataverse uses tables such as risks, project, issue, and tasks. So as we add these, we're going to need to look to those tables. Let's go ahead and add a chart here. And for record type, we're going to select project. And we're going to look at which view here. So let's say the all projects view here. And let's say I want to see, for example, projects by portfolio. I can go ahead and add this. Now let's go ahead and do a table. I'm going to click on list here. And let's say I want to see all of my tasks. I would go to the project task table. And I can select from the pre-created views. So my tasks will show me just my tasks in this table, and then all active project tasks will show me all of the ones in the environment. Let's go with my tasks. Now let's go ahead and add a list here of our risks. We're going to go to the risk table here. And I can choose to see active risks or all risks in the environment. I'll go ahead and do all risks and add. And now let's go ahead and add a chart. Let's add a program related chart. We can do program by overall health, and we can add that there. Now this table is going to use whatever view I picked columns here. So after I finish it, I need to give my name a view. Save it. And then I can go ahead and close. And I can see how my dashboard looks. So here we can see my table, which is using the view here. Here I can see my chart that I added, and I can interact with it as well. I can search for a specific attribute, such as AFV variance or currency. Here I have my table as well, where I can actually change the view directly as well here. Same thing on the My Tasks view. If I want to see my tasks here, or project task associated view, I can do that as well. And here I have the number of projects that are in each portfolio. Now let's say I want to make my table wider. I can go in and edit this view. And let's say I want to make this, increase the width of this. And then I want to bring this over here. Decrease the width of this one, move it around. Now I did make this a 4-column one, so it's going to be limitations of how much I can pull these around here, as you can see. But to increase the width here, I would go here, increase width, save. Now I can close it, and now I can see my table expanding the whole room here. Now, By default, when I go to the home dashboard, it shows me the pre-configured home dashboard, but if I like my new custom view, I can go as far as here and set this as my default view. So that is how to create user custom views in the new PPM360 tool. This is a brand new feature from Microsoft. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.